How's it going, guys? Austin with Getaway Adventures here, and today we're going to be assembling my new YT Decoy 29 Core 3. It's a mouthful, but let's get after it.
So Austin, what happened to the box it came with?
I didn't want to deal with it. So it was pouring down rain. San Clemente, where we got this. And I was going to tarp it and put it in the bed. And the guy goes, no, dude, we'll just take it out. We'll take it all out of the box. Well, you can put it in your truck then, and then we'll just throw the box away. And I was like, perfect. Boom! Check this bad girl out. It's got different pieces right here. That's cool. Dang! I'm gonna be looking good. I already got it. Oh, look! It came with like little pedals. Nice of them to provide that, but it does say they do not recommend you riding anything sketchy with these. They're really not designed for that. Little factory of tubeless setup for the E13 stuff, your Fox suspension. Oh, it comes with a light? Oh, here's a little extra top cap setup. Or top of the neck. Anti-slip paste. Ooh, look at this cute little, this is like an Allison size box. Yeah.
That's sick.
I'm sold. And here's the box for the charger. Charger cables.
Hello, doggy. Hello.
I am the star of the show. I'll be in my dressing room. That color. Dang. This week we have some like unwrapping ASMR.
This one says, "Stop in the name of love before you brake too hard."
Mistake the front for the back braking. You just grab a handful. You're gonna have a bad time. We had a friend in college flip over on my bicycle. She just grabbed the brake, didn't know which one. Remember that?
And are you putting the...
I figured I'd put the handlebars on.
So it doesn't dangle?
Yeah, I'm tired of it dangling.
So no tools required, it comes with tools.
That's pretty rad. And it came with a lot of tools. So there's little marks, and I'm just trying to center the marks. Owned a select before, dang. I am gonna screw the derailleur into the bike. See, it mounts to this is the derailleur hanger that mounts to the rear of the rear triangle. So this is actually threaded. There we go, I just got it to start. This is so cool. So it's carbon fiber. So the tube's carbon fiber, so it flexes, and then it shows you how much torque's on it. Isn't that rad? We're ready for some tires. Bad girls. They're Crank Brothers. Crank Bro synthesis rims, wheels. It's a little DHR Minion tire, which they own the bike industry. Every new bike, it seems, comes with Maxxis, which I like Maxxis. I run Continentals on my other bike, and I actually like those a lot too, but these are good for the chunky stuff. Okay, here's the deal. I'm sorry, but this is called a dork disc. I know it's mean, I know it's safety, it's by law, it's gotta go. Check this out, they got a cool little spacer in there. Little SRAM spacer. I'd hold on to this. Oh look, it's a bottle opener. That's so cool. I would hold on to this, A, because it's a bottle opener, and B, if you ever wanted to transport your bike, you can shove that down in there and then it keeps your brakes from collapsing. There we go. Grab our axle. Quick tip, pedals are directional. So this one has an R on the inside of it, right here. I'll spin it around. So there's a little R right there. So here's an L. So see, that means left. So this is the left crank. I know the bike's upside down, so it can be confusing. And then underneath this bad girl is also an L. That tells you, so the one side's reverse thread. It's not righty-tighty, it's righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. And then the other one is normal. But just keep that in mind. That screwed me up a long time ago. Then see, when I'm doing it this way, this one's actually going opposite. So it's very confusing. Or it can be. 5 Newton meter tightness, and I think that'll be good. We'll always check it later, stuff like that. Ta-da! And this plugs in, sorry, you guys, I'm just trying to see as well. There, plugs in right there. Those two just kind of clip together. Isn't that nice? Okay, so that's gonna be the end of the YT Decoy unboxing. We got it ride wrapped, we got it all dialed. So next thing to do is to ride it. Next thing will be impressions, what it can do, what it can't do, and we'll go from there. But until next time, make sure you get out and adventure, and we'll see you soon.